Hello guys, my name is Balakrishna Srivastava and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video, I write Java code solution for question 7 of ICSE 2025 Computer Applications Boards paper, which is this question. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel. And I post plenty ICSE content, but still I have less than 5% from my audience subscribing to my channel. So please do subscribe to my channel. Okay. So this is the question. Take a minute and give this a reading. Okay, so you have to write a class. I'll name the class as question 7 because this is the answer to question 7, and you have to overload the method print. So I'm going to say public void print. Okay, method overloading is when you have multiple functions with the same name but different number and type of arguments. Okay, so this print has no arguments, this has two doubles, this has two cards. Okay, so we have one void print, then we have double print, double A double B, we have double print, double A double B, and then we have int print char 1, char ch1, char ch2. Okay, so in the first print you have to print this pattern. So this is 4 lines. Okay, and in each line you have 5 characters. So the first thing that you have is 4 lines, so I less than 4, I plus plus. In each line you have 5 characters and all the lines are the same. So there are 5 characters in each line. So if I take numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for numbers 1, 3 and 5 I have to print add symbol. For numbers 2 and 4 I have to print hashtag. So I'm going to say for int j equal to 1, j less than equal to 5, j plus plus. Okay. So for 1, 3 and 5 I need to print a. So if j is odd, if j percent 2 is not equal to 0, okay, I need to print a. Alright, add. This is out, print, add symbol. Okay. Alright, else I print a hashtag symbol. Okay, and after this line is printed, I'm gonna change a line. Alright, so let me just return 0 for now. Okay, making this public, return 0 for now so that it compiles, and let me test my first print function. Question 7. Okay, question 7 dot print. Alright, I should get this. So the 4 lines of output that we expect. Alright, and it is not very visible if there is a blank line between the 2 lines or not. Okay, you can add a blank line, you cannot add a blank line. Whatever be the case, just write a comment that you are that you see a blank line with it between 2 lines in the pattern, and that's why you are adding it. Okay, so you can say system.out.println, okay, \n. Okay, you can say print a blank line between the 2 lines. Okay, so that the examiner understands that you are trying to print the pattern assuming that there is a blank line between the two, and you can draw something like this here. Okay, you can say that the pattern that you are trying to print is this. Okay, you are trying to print this. Okay, all right, so now there will be a blank line between them. Depends upon you. Okay, how you infer the question. From what I understand, there should be a blank line between the two. Alright, moving on to the next print function to display the sum of numbers between a and b with difference of 0.5. So I say double sum equal to 0. You have to double I equal to a, I less than equal to b, I plus equal to 0.5. Okay, you have to add numbers in increments of 0.5 starting from a going till less than equal to b. So you say sum plus equal to I, okay, and return the sum. Okay, all right, so I can say change a line, and you can also say question 7 dot print pass a b as 1 and 4. Okay, even if you pass them as integers, they will be taken as 1.0 and 4.0 here. So printing this sum, okay, the return value of this, okay, 17.5. Let's make this 2, so this comes out to be 1 plus 1.5 plus 2, so this comes out to be 4.5. Okay, if I make this 1.5, this comes out to be 1 plus 1.5, this comes out to be 2.5. Okay, all right, moving on to our third method, compare two characters and return the ASCII code of the largest character. So we can simply compare ch1 is greater than ch2. When you are comparing two characters, behind the scenes their ASCII values compared. So ch1 greater than ch2 means the ASCII value of ch1 is greater than ch2. You can simply return ch1. Okay. Else if ch2 is greater than ch1, okay, or you can say ch1 is less than ch2. Okay, in this case ASCII value of ch2 is greater, so return ch2. Else you return the ASCII value of either, because then in this case it is going to be equal. So I'm gonna call this method now. Change this line, system dot out dot print ln question 7 dot print. So I'll say a and then b. So you should get 98. Okay, all right, and in this case you should get 97. In this case, okay, in case of lowercase a and z, uppercase z, you should still get 97. Okay, in case of a and d you should get 100. Okay, in case of a and a you should get the same 97. Okay, so this is the solution to question 7. All right, so I hope you like this video and this was helpful. So if there is any doubt, there is a part you don't understand, please let me know in the comments. I always try to answer all your comments, and you can also let me know in the comments if there's a question you want to solve or if there's a concept you want to discuss. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.